How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Wi-Fi being connected but your internet not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is hover your cursor to the Wi-Fi icon and right click on it. Then you'll see two options. One is to diagnose your network problems and the other is network and internet settings. Right here you will see your different diagnostics. You can run network tests here and you can even try a different website, restart your Wi-Fi network adapter. You can do this too. Yeah, you need to check if you do have internet. So make sure that you have got that sorted out. After that, you can open up your network and internet settings here. And right under here, you will see advanced network settings. Tap on that. And after you've done that, you will see your network adapters. You can try to disable and enable your Wi-Fi adapters again. After that, you can head down below. You will see different options here too. Tap on network reset and right here, reset your network. After doing that, your problem should get fixed. And yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.